Does your mobile hotspot keep turning off too fast or stay on longer than you want? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can control exactly how long your hotspot stays active when the device is connected. Let me show you how to adjust the timeout setting. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Connection, tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, tap Mobile Hotspot, tap your network name, then go to Advanced, tap Turn off when no device connected or, and then choose how long your phone keeps the hotspot on. For example, if you often share hotspot with a laptop that disconnects briefly during sleep mode, you can choose 20 minutes so your hotspot doesn't shut down too quickly. That's it to save your selection. And that's it, your Galaxy S25 Ultra will now keep the hotspot on for the duration you set, helping you balance convenience and battery life. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.